So we're sitting outside, our third visit for today in a sixplex actually. And it's funny because this sixplex is on the way to our Airbnb, and I drove past this probably 5, 6, 7, 8 times. At one point, I called my wife and I said, "Hey, this is a pretty nice property. It's right across the street from the school. If I hang a left here, maybe right down in kind of the meat of downtown Gainesville. Great location. Would be a great rental. Up and coming area. The whole area is kind of turning over, so this will appreciate pretty greatly." And so I sent her this property, and the response I got back was something I didn't quite think I was going to get. And that is that we actually picked all those up already. So kind of funny. Two minds kind of thinking alike. Either way, I want to take you on a tour of this. This is a fiveplex. They were all registered as individual units by the builder, so this is not a one loan situation. You couldn't necessarily do it anyway, but they're each individually units, so they're all going to have each individual loans, but pretty nice, decent depreciation. It's going to be good cash flow for us. Let's go inside and take a look. So most of the houses are pretty standard here today. Walk in, little half bath over here, and do a little bit of a hot water heater. Probably not the best location for that, but it is what it is. Access to the door, and kind of your standard kitchen up front. So white cabinets, you got a bit of granite, not too high end. This is set up for a little bit of a seating. Don't know if you can necessarily do that if you were going to put some kind of kitchen nook table there, but either way, exactly what this area would be looking for as far as a rental. Little townhome, little 3-2. Let's go upstairs and check it out. Again, don't like the carpet, but this is just something the builder selected. First bedroom right off here, pretty standard. Bathroom inside, always a good selling point, obviously. Stand-up shower. Closet with a window. Bedroom 1. And bedroom 2.